Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name's Kenneth Bird. My company is Crystal Edge Technology Screens. Sorry about that. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration on our ceiling and acoustic projection screen setup. This is a kit we have on our website for around 650 bucks. It's a pretty big kit. It comes with a 150-inch acoustic surface that you can spray with 48 ounces of our amazing invisible phantom technology used for acoustic screens. Also too, over top we have another phantom screen paint at the top. This is a roll-on application and spray on. We use this for the ceiling. This is not acoustic, by the way. So this is going to be a kit that we have around $600, I think, and $49. It gives you a gallon for the ceiling. It gives you 48 ounces enough to paint the 150-inch screen, and here, and it gives you the 150-inch screen surface so you can have that ceiling and wall projection setup. Sorry about that. So the projectors we're using in the demonstration don't cost a lot of money. The projector we have here is our Sony projector. Here, this projector cost me around 300 bucks. The projector for the ceiling cost me $139. Short throw and ultra short throw. Both of them are 720p. So we're going to do a matrix display in here with lights on and with lights off too also. All right, so got the wrong remote control for this one. Sorry about that. I grabbed my remote control for my stereo system. I forgot to grab this remote control. There we go. I'm dressed a little crazy today. I've got to be up early in the morning. I have a lot to do. It's going to be a very, very, very busy day today. All right, so let's begin. Now, this is what we call true ceiling and light rejection technology. As you can see, that our screen is right embedded over top of the ceiling. Right there, that's 150-inch using the Black Phantom technology. And then over here, displaying on the acoustic, will be our invisible Phantom technology. And this is with the lights on, with no problem whatsoever, without the screen washing out or fading. Share it from different angles. And we'll show you with the lights out. How beautiful that looks. Like I said, we had this in a package deal where you can actually get the gallon for the top, for the ceiling of Phantom. Also to the acoustic screen will come with 150 inch of the surface. Also will come with 48 ounces, altogether around $649. You can also get separately, if you don't want the ceiling, we also have the screen. I think it's around $349. And that is with the 150-inch surface and the 48 ounce of the invisible Phantom to allow you to produce that amazing image. All right, let's get something else real quick. 4K white screensavers. 4K white screensavers.
Getting that from YouTube.
Let's show you into here.
At Petco, shopping for your pet is easier than ever. No, really.
And this one will go over to, for you guys over here, because I'm up on the ceiling selecting which one I want. As you can see, it comes out crystal clear in a fully lit environment. We don't have to worry about any of that nonsense. The screen's washing out or fading. Let's grab something pretty cool to look at. There you go, check that out. Let's get ourselves another one. one came off wrong here. I think we got one mixed up. There we go. Now we got it. And she doesn't affect our screens in any way whatsoever. "4K screensaver, koi fish." Let's grab one more. I'm gonna grab something different on both screens. So over here, we have that going on, and over top, we have our koi fish. Just show you how amazing the technology is. Get my camera straight there a little bit. There we go. How realistic that looks. And that's on our black technology right there. This is an amazing, amazing image. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for your time. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens. If you're interested in our screen paint products, they're available on our website. Thank you all for your time. I have to go, and God bless.